Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a fully functional video calling app in just minutes with almost no hassle and minimal code, right? So let me introduce you to the something amazing. This is ZEGOCLOUD, a powerful real-time communication service provider that helps developers build live audio, video, and interactive application effortlessly. Okay, so from video call, live streaming, voice chat, they have got it all. ZEGOCLOUD has a ton of tools, but the one that really stand out is their UI kits. Okay, so basically UI kits are pre-built customizable kits that let you integrate complex features like video calling in just a few lines of code. You don't need to build UI or infrastructure from scratch. ZEGOCLOUD gives you clean interface, smooth call handling, and real-time communication out of the box. Okay, so whether you are building a one-on-one call app or full virtual meeting platform, their UI kits have you covered. Okay, so now getting started is super simple. Just go to the link that I provided in the description and head over to the ZEGOCLOUD website and sign up for a free account. Once you are in, you will get 10,000 free minutes to experiment, test, and even launch your MVP. Okay, so make sure to explore their console. It gives you access to project creations. Okay, and it has a lot of more to help manage your application. Okay, so make sure to check it out. Now let's build our very own video calling application using ZEGOCLOUD Call Kit. So we will start by creating a brand new React app. Okay, so let's start. As we know that create React app is dead now, so we are using here Vite. So just go to the vite.dev website and copy this npm create vite @latest and open your VS Code and paste here. Now write here y. And I'm going to choose here React, only JavaScript. Okay, now right here, go inside the directory and install. Okay, so all the packages are installed. Now let's run our application. So just write here npm run dev. Okay, so this is our application. Now we have to remove this boilerplate code, and here I am going to create an input box where I'm going to pass the room ID and a button to join the room. Okay, so let's build it. So first of all, go to the source folder and here just remove this one. Okay, and this one also. Okay, now we have to create here routes, two routes. Number one is home page route and another one is for room. Okay, so let's install React router DOM first. Okay, so right here npm install React router DOM. Okay, so it's installed. Now let's rerun our application. Okay, now here import. Now here just write import create browser router from React router. And one more thing is that is router provider. Okay, now here just like router create browser router. Okay, now inside this we have to define a home path, home page, and here element is just home for now. And one more is video. Okay, so this is not video, this is room, and this one is room ID. Okay, and here room. Okay, so now here just write router provider router. Okay, now let's test it. So you can see that this is home, and if I go here room / Amrit, yeah, you can see that room. Okay, now let's create separate component for home and room as well. Okay, so just go here and click create file, homepage.jsx. Okay, another one is for video page.jsx. Now let's design our homepage first, and here I want to make an input into app, and here just take one input, enter room ID and join room button. Okay, now let's check it. So go to the home page. Okay, now let's go to the app.jsx. Here just remove this one, and here write home page. Okay, I can see that here, welcome to the video app, enter room ID and join room button. Okay, now let's style that input box. Okay, so just write a class name here, input box. Okay, copy this CSS and go to the app.css file, and here just write. Okay, now let's look at, yeah, now it's looking good. Okay, border, let's remove the border, and we have to write here border none. Okay, so now it's looking good. Now the next thing what I have to do is, so if I enter a room ID here and click on join button, then what will happen? It will redirect to the room page. Okay, so let's take the input first and redirect the page to the room page. Okay, so just go to the VS Code and here create state here, room ID, set room ID. This is use state. Okay, now we have to define another one variable, that is navigate, and use navigate, and this we have to import this as well. Okay, now here just write value is equal to room ID and on change set room ID t.target.value. Okay, now whenever I click on join button, then I have to pass this room ID into the room page params. Okay, so just write here on click handle, let's write it handle join room. Okay, now here define the function. If room ID is present, then I will navigate this to room and room ID, otherwise please enter a room ID. Okay, so this is a basic code to navigate from home page to room page. Now let's test it. Okay, so just write here room 123 and click on join button. Yeah, I will see that room 123 room ID is present in the params. Now let's display it here. Okay, so just go to the video page.jsx, and here let's write here room ID. Okay, and we have to get the room ID from the params. Okay, so just write here params, use params. Okay, and here just write const room ID is equal to params dot room ID. Okay, you can also write it like this, room ID is equal to params. Okay, now here just display the room ID. Okay, now go to the app.jsx and just remove this one, and here import the video page. Okay, now let's reload it and write here room 123, click on join room. Yeah, you will see that room ID room 123. Okay, so this is done. Now in this page we have to integrate the ZEGOCLOUD. Okay, so basically we have to pass this room ID to the ZEGOCLOUD SDK, and ZEGOCLOUD will automatically create a video call for us. Okay, so just go to the VS Code and we have to install ZEGOCLOUD dependency first. So just go to the ZEGOCLOUD website. So just go to this URL, I will provide this in the description, and just copy this one, and we have to install it so that we can use UIKits. Okay, so just close this and install that dependency. Okay, so it's installed. Now run the server again. Okay, so the package is installed. Now let's scroll down and choose React here. Okay, now just follow me what I am doing. I will explain you. Okay, so first of all, go to your video page and here just create one use effect. Okay, and here just create two variables, const app ID, your app ID, and here const server secret. Okay, now to get this app ID and server secret, what you have to do is just go to your ZEGOCLOUD console and log into your ZEGOCLOUD and go to the dashboard page and just create your project here. I already created a video app project, so inside this video app project you will get your app ID and server secret. Okay, so just copy and paste it here. Now go to this article and from here just copy this one and here paste it. So this is our room ID which we created and app ID. Okay, and here two more things we have to pass, that is let's pass here date.now2string and a username. Let's pass programming. Okay, now right here const ZEGOCLOUD UIKit preview.create kit token. Okay, and okay, now we have to render the UI into our div. Okay, in our div. So just remove this one because I don't want to display this. Just write here ref, and here just write video container, and copy this one and create a ref here, const video container, and here just use ref. Okay, now here just write ZC dot join room, and inside we have to pass few attributes. Number one is container, video container dot current, okay, and this is a shared link. This will generate a shareable link so that we can share it to someone. Okay, and this is scenario. Here we are using one-on-one call. You can also change it to group calls, and this is some more attributes like show screen sharing button true, show leave button true. Okay, now let's test it, that whether it is working or not. And one more thing we have to do is here just remove, this is because we are using our local host server, so just write here local host 5173. okay, now let's test it. So just write here room 123 and click on join room. Okay, ZEGOCLOUD UIKit table is not defined. Okay, so we have to import this as well. So just import it. Now let's test it again. So just write here room 123 and click on join room. Okay, so it is showing cannot read property of undefined reading room. Okay, so app ID must be number. So we have to pass the app ID and server secret because we did not pass it yet. So you have to pass the app ID and server secret here. And I told you earlier that from where we can get the app ID and server secret. Okay, so just paste your app ID and server secret here. Now let's test it again. And here just write room ID room 123 and click on join room. Yeah, you can see that ZEGOCLOUD is working fine. Now just copy this link and click on join button. Yeah, you can see that this is the ZEGOCLOUD interface. Now let's join with some another name from incognito browser. Okay, so just make it here and just paste the URL and write the name here, Zone Do. Okay, now let's click on join. Yeah, you can see that, and I am joined as John Doe and programming with Amrit as well. Okay, now let's send the message. So in this tab I am joined as a programming with Amrit. So just write here hey. Now you can see that in this tab programming with Amrit here. Okay, yeah, you can see that chat feature is working perfectly fine. Now let's check that these buttons are working fine or not. If I click on this turn off video from programming with Amrit side, then yeah, you can see that it's working. Now let's test that whether I can share my screen or not. So just click on this button, and yes, you can see that I can share my entire screen. Let's share this console ZEGOCLOUD dashboard and click on share. Yeah, you can see that screen share is also working fine. Okay, now let's stop sharing it. Okay, and so this is fine. Just now let's okay, so remove from here. Okay, now if you want to remove the leave button, or screen sharing button, just write it here false, and let's join once more. Yeah, you can see that now you cannot see the screen sharing button. So these are the basic attributes. You can also explore more on the ZEGOCLOUD dashboard. So that's it for this video. We have just built a working one-on-one video call app using ZEGOCLOUD called Kit. Okay, so you can see that the interface is clean, responsive, and fully powered by ZEGOCLOUD backend. Okay, so if you are planning to build a video app or just want to explore real-time communication, definitely try out ZEGOCLOUD. Okay, because you can get 10,000 free minutes and pre-built UI kits. It's a no-brainer for rapid development. So don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more awesome dev tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.